The showstopper of Apple's awe-dropping event was the iPhone 17 Air, the thinnest iPhone ever made. But it's not just ultra-slim body, but inside it lies a gaming beast. And yes, PUBG mobile players, this one's built for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the latest tech updates. The iPhone 17 Air has the A19 Pro chip, Apple's most powerful and power-efficient processor to date. Think MacBook Pro level performance on a device that fits in your pocket. With advanced thermal management, neural accelerators, and GPU capabilities built for intensive workloads, the iPhone 17 Air is more than ready for smooth, lag-free PUBG battles. Not only this, its graphics also give stunning clarity on the 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with colors so vibrant and razor-sharp detail. Whether you're parachuting into Ariangel or sniping in Sandhawk, these visuals will give you some competitive edge and out-of-this-world gaming experience. And don't worry about the battery drowning fast, because Apple promises all-day performance, and the A19 Pro ensures that even marathon gaming sessions won't send you running around for a charger. And it's built to last too. The iPhone 17 Air features a ceramic Shield 2 cover glass and a polished titanium midframe, giving it premium durability without the weight. So whether you're a casual player or a mobile esports fanatic, the iPhone 17 Air doesn't just support PUBG, it takes it to another level. Are you a PUBG fan? Drop your thoughts about this in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.